One of the areas that I'm interested in looking at the moment is particularly interested in looking at selenium level, because selenium levels within the Scottish population, and in fact within the EU as a whole, have fallen by about 50% in the last 2 or 3 decades. In terms of the health of the population, selenium's involved in its main function involved in the antioxidant role within the body, and it combats oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a normal part of cellular metabolism, but it's increased particularly upon ageing, and also within diseases such as cardiovascular disease and cancer. Selenium in the food chain comes ultimately from the soil, and it's known that in EU, in particular within the UK and in Scotland in particular, selenium levels in the soil are very low, and we think we could help with increasing these levels within different food products in order to boost the level of selenium intakes within the Scottish population. One of the projects I'm involved in is in looking at how changing in fish feeds formulations affects the fish that's being produced, and therefore affects us, specifically looking at the nutrients, micronutrients and fatty acids within the fish, and how then consumption of those fish products by the consumer affects consumer health and population health. Certainly from the project we're looking at the fish and aquaculture, changes in the fish feed was involved interactions with the industry from the outset, because we needed to understand what these changes were, what the most likely changes were in the future. There's a number of ways in which companies can access information through FHIS. The scientists themselves produce a number of reports which are relevant to industry, which is available on the website. And also, if they contact FHIS directly, as a database of relevant scientists who you can put in touch with. And that generally involves a roundtable discussion with the company themselves in the initial instance about what we can do for them and what they're interested in.